Good morning students, we are once again back in our lecture video. I am Mahendra Kumar, faculty of Mount Literacy School, Jhansi for Accounts and English PGT. Students, in the last class we have started the comparative statements. We have studied comparative balance sheet and comparative P&L statements. And in today's class we will be doing the second part of it, that is common size statements. Now, common size statements are those in which individual figures are converted into percentages to some common base. Percentage of each individual item shows its relation to its respective total. This type of analysis is called vertical analysis, since each accounting variable is analyzed vertically. Common size statements may be prepared for balance sheet as well as statement of P&L. So in common size statements, again we are going to study common size balance sheet and common size P&L statements. Okay, so absolute figures of individual items of statement of P&L and balance sheet for two or more successive periods, and percentage of some common base. Normally the figure of revenue from operations is taken as a base for the statement of P&L items, and the total of assets or equity and liabilities is taken as a base for balance sheet items. Now, what is the purpose or utility of preparing common size statements? To present the change in various items in relation to revenue from operations, total assets or total liabilities, to establish a relationship, and to provide a common base of a comparison. So straight away children, we are going to start with common size balance sheet. The format of this is a bit different from comparative statements. थोड़ा सा अलग है. Items will be same. First column is particulars, note number, absolute amount, previous year, current year, percentage of balance sheet, previous year, current year. उसमें क्या था, इंक्रीज डिक्रीज निकालना पड़ता था, इसमें इंक्रीज डिक्रीज नहीं निकालना है. परसेंटेज ऑफ बैलेंस शीट टोटल दे आर सेइंग, रिमेंबर दे आर सेइंग टोटल. ओके, सो वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ कॉमन साइज स्टेटमेंट्स. Here is the question. They have now not given the question in proper format. Straight away they have given you the question. Now these are the items. You have to put these items in various headings and subheadings. Now prepare a common size balance sheet of Vishal Paper Limited from following information: share capital, previous year, current year; reserve surplus, previous year, current year; non-current liabilities, previous year, current year; current liabilities, previous year, current year; non-current assets, previous year, current year; and current assets, previous year, current year is given to you. Now let's see how you will be doing. Open your books, children. Keep your books open so that you can just pay attention. First column, particulars, note number, absolute amount, previous year, current year, balance sheet, total, previous year, current year. Okay, now just pay attention. So first heading is equity and liabilities, subheading is shareholder fund, and items are share capital, reserve surplus. So again previous year, current year, previous year, current year you have written over here. Non-current liabilities, so ये दो कॉलम तो आप बना लेंगे क्वेश्चन से देखकर. अब क्या करना है, amount upon total into 100. The formula for it is amount upon total into 100. Amount upon total liabilities, previous year का amount upon total liabilities into 100. So here it is written 2,10,21 lakhs upon 60 lakhs into 100, 35,000. तो ये आइटम्स हम निकाल रहे हैं 2016 के, यहाँ आइटम्स निकाल रखे हैं मैंने 2017 के. ठीक है, तो 2016 वाला जब हम कॉलम कर रहे हैं तो हम 2016 के आइटम्स लेकर 2016 वाले परसेंटेज ऑफ बैलेंस शीट वाले कॉलम में लिख देंगे, और जब 2017 वाला करेंगे तो हम 2017 में लिख देंगे. क्लियर, ये लिख दिया देखो मैंने. So just pay attention. 21 lakhs upon 60 lakhs into 100, 35,000. Then 6 lakhs upon 60 lakhs into 100, 6 lakhs upon 60 lakhs. 20 lakh 40,000 upon 6 lakhs, 60 lakhs. 12 lakh 60,000 upon 60 lakhs into 100. तो ये पूरा टोटल हम ऐसे ही करेंगे. Here you can see, and you will be getting the percentages, and that percentages you will be writing in this column. In the same way, you will be taking out the percentages of 2017. Here you can see 2017. Here is the working for it. 21 lakhs upon 70 lakhs into 100, 30,000, 30%. Then 9 lakh 10,000 upon 70 lakh into 100, 13%. 13% you have written away. So in the same way you will be doing with the assets as well as with the liabilities. Okay, I think you must have understood the pattern of it. Now we will be doing common size profit and loss statement. Common size profit and loss statement, this we will be doing from question number 4. Question number 4 is on your screen, just pay attention. Items वही हैं जो हमारे कंपैरेटिव बैलेंस शीट में थे, कंपैरेटिव पीएनएल में थे, सॉरी. नाउ प्रिपेयर कॉमन साइज प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट ऑफ प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस. रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन, प्रीवियस ईयर करंट ईयर, कॉस्ट ऑफ मटेरियल कंज्यूम्ड प्रीवियस ईयर करंट ईयर, फाइनेंशियल कॉस्ट, अदर एक्सपेंसेस. दिस इज द क्वेश्चन गिवन टू यू. नाउ you have to place it under various headings and subheadings, and then you have to take out your answer. So here it is. Revenue from operations. Now this you will be taking as 100%. As the format of common size P&L statement says, this is the format of it. Particulars, note number, absolute amount. एब्सोल्यूट मतलब जैसे का वैसे ही लिखना है. परसेंटेज ऑफ रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशंस. तो हियर यू सी रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशंस ऑलरेडी वी हैव टेकन 100%, क्योंकि रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन से हम वो करेंगे उसको डिवाइड. ठीक है, जस्ट पे अटेंशन. नाउ रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशंस ऑलरेडी गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन 10 lakh and 14 lakh. 100% you have already written. Now less expenses, cost of material consumed 6,50,000, 8,40,000. Financial cost 80,000, 1,40,000. Other expenses 60,000, 80,000. Okay. Now you are going to total up 2016 and total up 2017. इसका टोटल कर लेंगे 16 और 17 का. अब फिर से वही हम फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे. क्या? अमाउंट अपॉन रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशंस into 100. Amount upon revenue from operations into 100. Now amount upon revenue from operations, यानी 6,50,000 upon 10 lakh into 100. Then 80,000 upon 10 lakh into 100. Then 60,000 upon 10 lakh into 100. Then 7,90,000 upon 10 lakh into 100. So here we got this. ये हमें मिला है आंसर 6,50,000 अपॉन 10 lakh into 100, 65,000, 65%. तो ये लिख दिया. फिर हमने दिस अपॉन दिस किया तो 8% आया. फिर 60,000 अपॉन 10 lakhs 6% आया. ऐसे हमारा 79% बनता है. सेम वे वी आर गोइंग टू डू फॉर द ईयर 2016 एंड 2017. बिल्कुल एक जैसा करना है. अब इसका हमारा रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशंस कितना है? 14 lakh. तो 2017 का तो जितने भी अमाउंट है उसको अपॉन करेंगे 14 lakhs. 8,40,000 upon 14 lakhs, 1,40,000 upon 14 lakhs, 80,000 upon 14 lakhs, 10,50,000 upon 14 lakhs, 3,50,000 upon 14 lakhs into 100. 1, 2, 3, and this is the way we are getting the percentages. And these percentages we will be writing in the column of 2017 like this way. ठीक है? I think children you must have understood this chapter of both the methods, common size P&L, common size balance sheet. I hope you will be doing the questions. Hope you like the video. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you, children.